Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open a WeChat account without scanning a QR code. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Well, first up, as you can see here, I have my Facebook account set up for my WeChat account. So, and there's a sign up page. Let's just go ahead and select the country and region. From the Philippines, I'm going to go ahead and select the Philippines, and here I'm going to go ahead and enter my Philippine phone number. And once that's done, just go ahead and tap on I have read and accept the compliance and terms. Accept, wait for it, and in here just tap on I have read and acknowledged. Next. Now in here it needs a security verification. Start it. It will be pretty easy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and select lavender. Okay, wait for it. Now actually you have two options here right now. Before you only have verify for your QR code. Okay. Now as you can see here, you can go ahead and verify via payment card. It says here, use a valid payment card to complete verification. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now enter your card number right here, your name, CVV, CVC, and expiry. Okay, once done, just hit on next, follow simple prompts, and once done, you'll be able to create your WeChat account. If not, if you still want to try the QR code, okay, start again. Carpet, this one. Okay, wait for it. Now, as you can see, it will need my mobile number. I'm going to hit on get, hit on OK, wait for it. Now in here, as you can see, it now needs a QR code to be scanned. So what you'll do is just go ahead and open up the airplane mode, tap on it, wait for it. Once done, disable airplane mode and wait for your Wi-Fi to connect. Right here, go back, close it, accept and continue again. Wait for it to start verification once more. And again, just wait and redo the same thing until it's gone. Okay, airplane mode, disable, go back, hit on close, hit on accept, do it again and again. All right, until the QR code doesn't show. Now, if that still won't work, you can go ahead and try, instead of Wi-Fi, go ahead and use your mobile data. Okay, now another option is get out of the WeChat app. Just tap on the button where it doesn't close entirely. Okay, open up some other apps like Facebook for about 5 minutes. Okay, maybe YouTube. Go ahead and play some YouTube videos for 5 minutes. Just make sure that you didn't entirely close that. All right, it's still in here. I'm actually going to close this one. Make sure that WeChat is still in here. Tap away. And then once 5 minutes is done, go back to WeChat right here. Tap on it. Tap on close. Accept and continue once more. Start. Just go ahead and try it multiple times and eventually this section right here will be gone. All right. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.